Doggone vagrant. Move along there. No sleeping on park benches. Now get going.
Something the matter?
Plenty. No sleeping in trash cans, bud. Now move along. No sleeping in the trees. This is positively the last time I'm going to warn you. If I see you around here once more, I'm going to run you in. And now beat it.
What a revolting development this is! Coldest night in 64 years. No place to sleep. All I need now is for it to start snowing. I had to open my big beak. Now what am I gonna do?